Hey friends, Simon here, great to see you back on the channel. Today I want to share one of my working strategies that you can start using even if you don't have much trading experience. We're gonna break down how to identify good entry points in the market. I'll show you everything in real time, no complicated jargon, just step-by-step logic. This will be especially helpful if you're just starting to explore trading. I've already got the trading platform open and I'm gonna walk you through the process so you can see exactly how it works behind the scenes. By the way, today I've purposely reset my account balance to simulate the kind of starting point many beginners face. Let's go. Let's get started. The platform is open and I'm ready to trade. I'll start with a few assets today. And first I select the analysis tool. It helps us identify the current trend and understand when it's the perfect time to enter in the direction of the trend. Everything's set up and I'm ready to begin. Let's move to the next step. Now the price has returned to an area with lots of previous activity. These zones usually signal that market participants are making important decisions. One of the indicators shows that the price has dropped enough and I see a green candle on the chart. This might signal the beginning of an upward move. So I go up, expecting the price to rise to the next significant zone. Great, this is a good moment to act. Everything's going according to plan. This analysis was spot on. Let me ask you something. How many times have you thought about learning to trade but put it off because it seemed too complicated or confusing? I used to think the same, but now I have a car, a villa, and freedom in ways I never imagined. The truth is, you can understand this field, especially when you have the right mentor, a supportive community, and step-by-step guidance. Inside my trading community, I do everything to make learning accessible to everyone. We are a growing group, and every day I host open live sessions where I walk through my trades, explain my logic, and break everything down in practical way. You won't be left alone with just theory. We'll learn together. Everything is structured so beginners feel confident and can study at their own pace. No overload, just practice, feedback, and support. And each day I also share my trade ideas. You can choose whether to follow them or not. And honestly, it makes me proud when my students grow independent. That means I've done something good. Access to the community is open and free. If you're curious to try it out, just pause the video and click the link in the pinned comment. Join us, we're about to get the really exciting part. The price has been moving within one range for a while as if looking for direction. Now it's gradually rising toward a level it previously bounced off. One of the tools shows that traders are supporting the price and preventing it from falling. This could be a sign that an upward move is forming. So I'm going up, expecting the price to break through this level this time. Solid interim result. The clear signals from the indicators confirm the decision. The price has slightly risen and returned to a zone where it previously paused. Often in these cases, traders take a break and the price might dip again. I'm going down, expecting a small drop before the price attempts to rise again. Everything's going to plan. Let's keep moving and follow the strategy. If you're watching this video, it means you already have some curiosity about learning something new. That's the first step. What comes next depends on how clearly your path is laid out. I created a trading community where every beginner can follow a clear route from their first look at the markets to confidently making their own decisions. It's just like learning a new language. You don't start with long text. You begin with simple words and over time everything starts to make sense. Same with trading. We don't overwhelm you, just clear steps and support. I go live every day analyzing the market, explaining why I make certain moves and doing it all in real time. People ask questions, we learn together and we keep progressing. You don't need to be an expert to get started. This system is designed for beginners. All you need to do is watch, get involved and try applying the trading ideas at your own pace. If that sounds like something you would enjoy, click the link in the pinned comment. We are already inside and you can join at any time. There's plenty ahead, so let's keep going together. I went down because the price approached the resistance level and formed a reversal pattern. This could indicate a potential downward move. Based on this, I expect the price to go lower, followed by potential sideways movement. We picked a good moment, everything's unfolding as expected, sticking to the strategy. I noticed that the price bounced hard off a level multiple times, then quickly returned. That means the market reacted strongly at that level. As the price approached it again, I went down, expecting it to drop once more. Excellent, we chose the right direction, everything we need for solid progress is in place. I'm going down because the price returned to a level and broke through it. I expect the downward move to continue as both indicators shows the market is trending down. Everything's going according to plan and the price is moving as expected. Let's stick with the strategy. I'm going up because the price started moving in a sideways range. It bounced off the lower boundary and is now heading upward. Both indicators show an upward trend, so I've entered and gone up. Good, the price is still moving in the expected direction, let's keep going. I'm going down because I see that the price broke through a key level and surged upward, but then started to move back gradually. This is called a correction. The indicators also show signs of slowing down, suggesting that the market may return to previously tested levels for retest. Looking at today's results, you can see how important it is to pay close attention to market signals and interpret price movements correctly. By sticking to clear strategies and using indicators, you can trade more consciously and steadily grow your trading skills. You've just seen that trading is not a mystery or a complicated science. It's a skill you can learn as long as you have a clear action plan. Now you've got two options. Close this video and leave everything as it is, or try a new approach that's already working for a lot of people. Picture a bridge in front of you. On one side, your familiar routine. On the other, new knowledge, opportunities, and real skills. It's up to you whether to take that step forward. In my community, I show real trades, analyze the market live, and help members move toward their goals. If you want to learn more, click the link in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. Your journey starts now. See you inside.